Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Arcans and Scrapper channel. We're gonna go see what our first little find over here is. It's just a box though. I'm not really sure there's anything in it. Nope, there's not. Nothing on me there. Nope. Nothing today. How's it going? Those two. It's right there. Right there. Okay. Alright, gonna get that there. I'll put that back. Grab all of that. Oh, I'm gonna have to take that back home. Didn't realize that and totally forgot about the stroller. It's just tubing. I don't think there's much metal in here. Oh, I don't want to mess it up, and I'm gonna mess something up on it. There we go. I think that's about it. I'll put this back. Oh. Okay. There's that. Grab you guys. Alright, coming up on these dumpsters here. Look at that. I think I see some metal. I'm gonna go park over here into this little spot. Grab my other glove real quick. There's that. There's a whole somebody got a new TV. I think I'll take this baby gate though. This. Yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I'll take that with me. And you, I don't know about this one. Here, this one is, oh. But this guy, he looks still good. I'll put him in here. I don't think there's anything in here I need. No, I can't see nothing. Look at that pile. Man, there's a lot of stuff in there. Let's go see if there's any metal at all to be found. Anything useful in here? There's a little bit there, but I can't get to it. Oh, these VHS tapes. I don't know what they got in there. Cartoons. Thompson. Fat Albert. Felix the cat. Huh. I don't think there's anything at all, and this is just furniture. That's too bad. Playing some music over there. That's the kind of thing I want to see right here. Yeah. Take you. Lots of metal there. Something smells like poo. Probably gonna step in poo. It's unreal. Is that what I think it is? Yes. No. Some car parts in there. I'm not really too sure about that. Open this up a little bit. Did I step in something? No. Oh, I smell it though. There's some poo somewhere around here. What is this? It's a big bag. Oh, that's kind of neat though. How do you put it on? I might keep that bag just for the hell of it. I might keep this bag. Right there. I don't know what I would use that for, but that's the problem with whenever you are picking through somebody's trash, you find something that you want or want to keep. Right now, I'm having this is got some heavy metal. Oh yeah. Wow, I think that bag might come in handy. I might use this bag to fill up with the stuff in here. It's a neat bag. Really heavy duty. Some poop somewhere. It's bad, okay. It's not really worth it, but it's nasty. I get my hand up in there. Now we can find that. It's good. Oh, maybe it wasn't poo, maybe it was just that. What it was? Stuff stunk. It was bad. There's it's nasty. But I really want you because you're full of that stuff. Gotta get rid of that. I don't know. Look at the rest of it real quick. I don't see nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing there. Just want that piece, but I'm not gonna take it because I don't want to deal with all that extra stuff that's in there. I don't see nothing else worth getting. Well, I'll just have one little pan. Might have a chair. That's probably all metal up there. Yep. Get rid of you. Yeah, see there. Put you in there. And I'll take you with me. You're mostly metal. It's not, but all this is. Yeah, it is. I kind of like that, honestly. A little stand. I don't know what to do with it, but it's metal. We'll take it. It's nice. So it's a little shelf. Maybe for like a plant stand or something like that, I guess. Stick it right. There we go. Just like that. Let's go see if there's anything else over in this pile. We got the broom handle there, but it's really difficult to get to. Those kind of are. Just don't take them. What is that? Oh, yes. I don't know what it is, but I have found a ton of these. It looks just like this. This is it. This is all I ever find. I don't ever find like the other pieces that go with it. It's just the bed piece or crank. I don't know what this is. This is probably the 10th one I found, and they're always just like that. Nothing else. It's really weird, but you know, it's whatever. I'll take it. They're heavy, so that's nice. Let's see if there's anything. Could there be more? No. Now that is the weirdest picture frame I think I've ever seen in my life. How odd. It just looks different. Huh. I don't think there's anything else. It'd be dangerous with that. Alright, I think that's going to be about it. There's nothing in that pile there. No. What are you? What are you over here? Oh. Do y'all see what I just found? See? You never know. If you just keep walking just a little bit longer, you might find something else like that. Ain't that cool? Well, I think that's going to be about it for that one, and we're going to go on to the next one. Let's put that down in there. Let's see what else we can get. All right, got to run across the street real quick just to grab this little ball. Huh. That cord right there. Oh, I'll be back. I'm going to decide not to get that cord only because of of where it is. It's inside of that bag, and I don't want to tear that bag open because there's not enough space inside of their can. And one cord's not gonna hurt anything, so I'm not gonna take it. Is there anything to be had? We'll see. There's a toilet there. Let's see, that's the bottom of that chair. Oh, let's see here. I'm not seeing. Bunch of wood. Bunch of plastic. Just one little bitty piece. I don't see nothing else that I need today. Let's see, is that aluminum? It is. I'll put you up there. Oh. I don't see nothing in this pile. Oh, I see something back here. Some cords and cables. I'll take you. I'll take all of you. I don't know what else I'll take. I'll definitely take all of these cords and cables. Anything else? No. No. I don't want you to put glass on it. Because you're coax. You're not coax, are you? I don't think that one's coax. I don't know. Cables and cords. Alright. That's about all I want there. Wedgeville. When people put stuff out on the curb, Trey comes and gets it. Look at that. It's nice. You got no tools in it though. Empty. Okay. We do have this. Here's what I want. Oh, forgot. Totally forgot I put them on the back of the truck there. Oh. I just want you. Alrighty. That's it. Goes back up there. Put you in the truck. There we go. Let's see what we got over here. I don't think there's much over here. It looks like there's just a bunch of styrofoam. That's all that looks like. That is massive. Have you ever seen a pine cone that big? I've never seen one that's huge. Biggest pine cone I've ever seen in my life. We just got some. Alright, I guess that's just normal trash, no metal. As you keep letting new things out, we'll keep coming or finding reasons to come out here. Okay. Now, that's a little odd. It's interesting, but that's really cool. Scary. stick those up in there because they're wood. I don't think there's anything else. Now, what seems to be a common occurrence is that every single pile that I come across, most of them don't have any metal in them, but some of them do. Oh man, that's, can't take that because it's just so much space. It's all that foam. I'll take you though. That's a lot of foam. Those are nice springs, but the space that would take up in my truck is just unreal. So that ain't happening. What do we have here hanging in the tree? Huh. Random. Stick you back there. Anything else in the tree? I don't think so, no. This pile here, now these people right up here, they had some satellite dishes and stuff that were over here. Get my jacket off, it's a little warm. And told me they were gonna have some more stuff later on. And so now, looks like they've put some stuff out and I'm gonna go see what they got. Oh, let's see here. Okay. Gonna have to rearrange a little bit here. Put you in there like that. That might hold you. There. Out. Show that. Anyway. Okay, we got this chair. Now let's see what all we can get in here. I think they're a little misunderstanding on what kind of stuff I can take. Surely they didn't do all this for me. There's a nice little computer bag. Looks like nothing wrong with it. A really nice bag. I'll take that with me. I like the bag. It's the problem that I find whenever I am digging through people's stuff. I take stuff that they have and I don't need. I like the bag. Oh, what? There's just a blue rock. Again. see that? Look at that. This looks probably good. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Well, yeah, right here. That's probably why they threw it away, was that right there. But it is such an easy little hot vacuum to fix. There. Y'all see that? Bam, right there. Look at that. Ain't nothing wrong with that umbrella. Perfectly good. We'll keep that. Why would you throw that away? It's perfectly good umbrella. I mean, the handle's been used a little bit, but perfectly good. Some things that people throw away just amaze me. These like this here. I know it's only like probably stainless or whatever, but put you in that little box there. Little metal box. Oh, like these little tins. Little Christmas tins. I like these little Christmas tins. I'll take the coffee can just because it's metal. Okay. That's you. That used to work. Might be broken. It's unfortunate, but it's one of those things. My scrapyard does not. Basically, my scrapyard they'll put me responsible for the refrigerant that's in the refrigerator, and I don't have anybody to take it out, so. Got them gloved. Okay. What else? These. I'll take the empty can. There's a little tin there. Pair of earrings. Tiny amount like those. My wife might love these. They're pretty. Alright, now just down this road here, there is a big pile of stuff. I had to leave it earlier because my GoPro died, and I'm hoping it is still here. Is it behind that truck maybe? Maybe? It is still here. Good, 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 good. Somebody took that bike. Dang. I knew somebody's gonna take that back. I knew it. But anyway, we'll get what's left. Man, look at all this stuff. We got a nice cord there from that fan. Some, I believe that's probably not aluminum, that's probably just steel. Yep, somebody took that back. I knew they were going to. I knew I should have grabbed it earlier, but I didn't. It's all right. Now we're going to figure out what we're going to do with all this. Start by putting some of this stuff back here. Then remove this hardware off. Okay. Put you back there. It was a nice bike too. It's just disappointing. Bet that guy on the bicycle was looking at it earlier, and I bet he's the one that grabbed it. I wonder if this I wonder if it still works. Probably. Yes, we're gonna put you inside, because I bet I can get that to work just fine. This is a screen for a projector. Let's see here, what else we got? Now, what are you? Unit there. All right. Oh, be careful. Something's gonna poke you in the finger. Just got some wheels on it. Okay. There's us like that. What else we got? There's some metal. Okay. Put you in there. This is all plastic. Oh, this comes from a screw, so it's all going. Take the cord off. Right in there, you see that cover? That's good. Stick you back there. What we got here? Just part of a chainsaw. That's cool. Part of a chainsaw. I wonder if the rest of it, see, I bet that went to that bike. Oh, they got you. I wonder. Model pieces. I think that's gonna be it. Alright. Like I said, somebody came and got that bike, but it's my fault for not grabbing it earlier. I should have and I didn't. But oh well. I got lots of things though.